If food prices shot up tomorrow, what would you do? All of those big box stores are closed. What would you do? It's an emergency. Now you have to go think of emergency food for emergency harvest. And I'm going to tell you a list of crops, 6 and an additional one for 7, so you can know the crops, the things that you can sow for an emergency harvest. Let's get right into it. The first one, okra. Okra loves the heat and it can grow real fast. I have 4 here that I started less than a week ago, and look at them. And they can give you a produce in about 45 days. They grow fast, they're vigorous, they love the heat, they don't care about the soil, the moisture or the lack of moisture doesn't bother them. Okras are heat factories. They are heat factories and they can produce a bountiful harvest for you. This is one for you to look at and consider. Let's move on. Radishes is another one. Radishes make fast food look bad. Those are fast. In less than 30 days, you can have some fresh produce for you. I have some in my bed here, and they were planted less than 2 weeks ago, and they are already sprouting above the ground. Okay? So think about it. If you want something fast, food in a month, okay, just think about it that way. Food in a month, radishes is one of your top choices. Okay, so that is fast food. That is one of the fastest. If you're just joining me, hi, my name is Deb, 2 Raised Beds to Freedom. Fast produce in raised beds, easy, economical, DIY, organic, minimal space and minimal effort. And this is one of the things that I chose to do to help with my grocery bill. And we are growing together, learning together. Come on in. This is the smallest space with the biggest invite, and we're going to learn together, grow together. And we're talking about emergency food for an emergency harvest. If something hits, you can't go to the store tomorrow. My first one was okras, the second one radishes, the third one spinach, and I'm going to show you mine. Now I have my spinach in the corner of this bed here. Oh yes, this is Malabar spinach. Yes, it's looking kind of tired right now, but we're going to move right along. Spinach is very nutrient dense. It's one of the best foods you can have if you want to make sure you get adequate nutrients and fast. You can harvest the leaves of these. This is Malabar spinach. You can steam it, cook it down, add it with beans, add it with anything, you saute it, and you're good to go. And in an emergency, you have to think about nutrition. You have to think about the things that will give you nutrients fast. Spinach is one of those. Let's move on. Green onions, that's another one. Green onions is a cut and come again produce that gives you endless produce on the go to continue. And you can have them to season your pot. Add to anything, saute it up with your peppers, your tomatoes, add to your beans, whatever. And it makes everything tastes better. Okay, and that is something quick that you can have on the go. You don't have to go to the supermarket because it's closed. It's an emergency, and here you have it in your garden. And I have a stash right here that has been growing that I already cut from, and here they are this tall already. So we're gonna move on. Let's keep going. Beans. Another one is beans. Beans represent backyard protein, quick, fast growing protein. And here I have mine, okay? It's taking up this trellis. It's gonna take over this backdrop, which is quite fine. But beans heavy yields in small areas. So even if you're on a balcony, you do a DIY, a makeshift trellis where you use some bamboo sticks, whatever you have, some scrap wood or something that you see out at the garbage. Take it, make a little trellis, and there your beans can grow. And I have mine and I can't wait to see it grow. Okay, beans, backyard proteins. Okay, so this is another one, another must have for an emergency harvest. Now for the ultimate food factory, zucchinis. Zucchinis are fast. Here I have mine. I have one right here. I had to replant, restart. I had one in bed one. I don't know what happened, but I restarted and here it is. My zucchini is going. It is a food factory. Once it starts producing, you can reap 3 to 4 zucchinis every other day, and you can cut it up, you can add it to any meal, you can add it with beans, you can saute it up, and that represents a huge production line in your garden, in your small space, whatever you're starting with. But that is one, a must-have that you should have in your garden. The flowers also are edible, so bear that in mind. It's not just the produce, but other aspects of the plant. And now I'm going to move on to one that you are going to learn that yes, other aspects of that plant are edible. Let's move on. Now for the last one, seminal pumpkins. So if you're in a small space, okay, I know pumpkins, it might need a big sprawling and a strong trellis to hold it. However, once it gets going, okay, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to wait on the produce, the pumpkins itself. Did you know that the leaves, the vines, the tips of those vines, very nutritious, very rich, and they can eat? Yes, you cut them up, saute it up, just like any salad that you would, and then you will end up with that nutritious meal. And by doing that now, the plant continues to grow and it stimulates more growth for the plant. And then when you get the pumpkins, then you have something that is good for you, even more nutritious, even before you get the pumpkins themselves. So in an emergency, bear these in mind. You don't know what to do and you can't go anywhere. You have no money, there's no work, everything is stagnant and everybody is panicking, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to start these emergency produce and we're going to keep it moving. Now, tell me if that helped. Deb here, to Raise Beds to Freedom. I hope that helps someone. So come back, come along with me because I have more to give, more to share. Whether it is in a regular setting or an emergency setting, we're going to go together, harvest together, and keep things moving. See you in the next one. Bye.